guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Connie and today I'm gonna be buying the Castle Keeper. You could hear by my voice I'm really excited. Oh my god. Okay, so I'll be buying these. Oh my god, I can't look. I'm too excited. So well, first we're gonna get some more diamonds. I'm gonna tell my friend Rosie I'm making a whitey bid on okay, so first we're gonna buy more diamonds, which is this to be exact. Rest in peace, Robux. Oh my god! Okay, guys. I made an outfit on what I want to wear. Oh wait, no, this isn't it. Okay, it's called Big Wings E. Well, we're gonna get it. Okay, we're gonna get it. Are you ready? OMG! No! Oh my god! Guys, my diamonds. Oh my! I'm free. Oh my god, guys, I have him. I'm literally so happy, guys. My voice. I'm literally. Oh my god, rest in peace, diamonds. Well, I'm so happy. Like, it's. What? Well, I don't understand what she means, but. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm crying. I can't die. Probably because I have false nails on, but like, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm just so happy right now. She's acting like she don't know what happened. My diamonds are literally like, oh my god, I want to hide those. Nah, I don't like looking at them. Okay guys, that is it. I'm so happy. Peace.